Hello everyone, I'm Saksham Sharma, former HR and recruiter of TCS and founder of CareerKunj. So back to answer your queries of in the comments that you have given for TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring. So before we move on to the comments, one thing is that we have launched advanced Excel course which has been created by one of our team member, Harshita Agarwal. She's a CA in CS and she's worked in HDFC and Kotak Bank. So she has created this course out of her expertise in Excel from her working experience, and this cover all the topics that would be required to for you to perform in corporates, right? And every topic that you see here has a practice sheet after that. So if you're interested to learn Excel, you can get this course from the link given in the description box, and the price for this course is very nominal. It's just 499. And if you want to learn Excel, then definitely you should go for this course. You can also download our app Career Kunj from the App Store and Google, Play Store, and you can learn from the mobile as well. Okay, all right, so moving on to the comments now. So first comment, hello sir, I just wanted to ask, while entering the NSR next step, what am I facing issues when I entered the pin? It shows successfully. When I put the portal, it shows enter the pin, it shows country, and it shows country what to do. Just do nothing now. I think sometimes the system doesn't save it, so maybe it is a system issue as well. So I think try after some time, 1 or 2 days, and see if it works. If it doesn't work, try from mobile or from laptop or from different browser. Do basic troubleshooting, but nothing to worry because NSR pin not a hurry to be submitted. So don't worry. Try after some time or try from different device is what I can suggest. Hi sir, I received my offer to 7th August. When can I expect joining letter? Basically, the joining is now coming for the February, March Ignite and Smart Hiring candidates. So when the joining will come for the recently offered candidates, I can't comment with certainty. Okay. Next, sir, if I doesn't complete the BGC form, will it delay the joining date? Any idea about deadline? I have a mistake in the form and I can't edit. I mailed TC. Should I wait for the reply to submit finished stock section? See, BGC has to be completed in 120 days. So better whatever documents you have, you submit with it. Now regarding the mistake, it depends on what mistake it is. So if it is a big mistake, you should wait. If it is a small mistake, that's okay. You can proceed. Next. So I got letter offered on 14 June and survey mail on 29 July. When can I expect joining letter for smart? The same thing, guys. The joining is coming for the earlier students who got their offer letter. Uh, or those who have given their interview in February. So no, I think first their batch will get the joining, and then the joining of the recently offered candidates will come. Next, hello sir, received offer, TCS Smart offer on 26 May. Submit the VDV form on 5th of June. 5th of June, and by uploading only 5 students, much 5% mark sheet, but upload the Mr. Document approval. Hmm. So basically, answer of first question is that when you will get the joining mail, you will again be asked to upload the background check document, and that is where you can upload the new mark sheet that you have got for 6M along with the remaining documents. And the second question, it can take some time because now the joining is coming for the earlier offered candidates who have given their interviews in February, March. So I think first they will finish that batch and then they will give the joining to the recently offered candidate. It will be my request to make a WhatsApp channel for smart and candidates where we can communicate, share updates. Well, think about it. Thank you for the suggestion. Sir, when will come to know about the location after getting the offer letter? It comes along with the joining letter. So when you get the joining letter, it has a mention on the date and the location on which you have to join. So it will come in the joining letter. Sir, I received the offer letter in May, but I haven't got the document verification yet. My friend has received it. I'm still waiting. Will I definitely get it, sir? Will it come, sir? I'm waiting without joining college because of this. Definitely, joining should come. Joining will come. Now the joining is coming for earlier offered candidate, and then once they are done with those batches, the joining of the remaining candidates will come. So good thing is that you have already got the offer letter. That's a good sign. Now, the joining for the recent offered candidates in May, June has not come in my notice. So it's not just you who has not got the joining. I think it's the complete batch. So whenever they will be done with the past offered candidates, I think they will then send out the joining for the remaining candidates. So I have a doubt. Joining letter sends depending on the region. My region is Hyderabad, and I got offer letter on August 7 and survey mail on 19th. Joining for the recently offered candidate, again, as I have been answering, is not coming as of now. It is coming for the previously offered candidate. So please wait for it. So they provide MCA for Ignite candidate. So MCA from Shastra University is an option for the Ignite students. So it is not like that you got the Ignite, so you will get MCA degree. There would be definitely some terms and condition to go for the MCA degree from Shastra University. So it's not like that just by getting the Ignite offer you will get the MCA degree also. Next, in my father name is mismatched. In birth certificate, middle name Kumar is mentioned, but in other document it is not mentioned. I don't think so. That's a small thing. In the father's name, had it been in your name, it could have been a problem. But if it is in the father's name, I don't think so. That should be an issue. If it is just about the middle name, I don't have a birth certificate. I made a birth affidavit for joining. Just TCS asked no. If you have made a birth affidavit, it is fine. Can you explain CID form and what documents we have to attached with it? Can you give more details like where it is being asked CID form? नेक्स्ट सर मुझे क्या का ऑफर लेटर मिला था और जून के मंथ मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला है सर जॉइनिंग लेटर नहीं मिले अगर मुझे बनाई डॉक्यूमेंट सपोर्ट करने दिक्कत होगी दैट इज़ फाइन इट इज़ ओके यू कैन अपलोड those documents it is fine. Later 4th August when will I get joining? As answered, joining will come for the recently offered candidate after some time. So you have to wait. So me and my two friends give interview on same day, received offer on same day, but friends got their joining letter but did not receive my joining letter. Joining happens in batches and it cannot come at the same time for everyone. So please wait patiently. It will come, in batches, and maybe your joining will come in next batches. Please make a video about TCS NQT results. I don't have update about TCS NQT. I have checked with many people in TCS and nobody knows about it. And I think TCS is not releasing results intentionally. There are Ignite and Smart candidates who have given their interviews late in July and they have got their offers. But students of NQT in May, June, who have given their interview in May, June, have still not got their offer letter. So basically, they are holding it. So when somebody holds intentionally, they don't disclose when they will declare. So that is why I don't have any clarity. Please give us a bit about MBA. MBA hiring, I'm making a separate video, so you can check there. I got joining for 28 August and I'm from Smart. Okay, good, congratulations. Your interview of Ignite on 10th August, still there's any update in the next step portal. Showing batch, I'm from Mumbai location. Wait for some time. If your interview was good, then you should get it. There was a running aspect joint I got offered 11 June, 7 July. It will take some time. Okay. When the joiner come before after completing BGC is an independent process. Joining is a independent process. So when your joining will come, they will try to do your background check as soon as possible. When they will release the inquiry of campus, will they release? Not, sir, they are going to conduct inquiry. Basically they should release it. If they don't have to release this, then they would have sent the rejection mails or they would have just sent it to few people, but results have not been declared for majority of the students. That means they are holding it. अगर उनको देना ही नहीं होता तो फिर वो बहुत लोगों को क्या बोलते हैं रिजेक्ट कर देते या सिर्फ कुछ ही लोगों को भेजते और बोल देते कि बाकी लोग रिजेक्टेड हैं, बट ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. दैट मीन्स दे आर होल्डिंग इट. सो वो कब करने वाले वो किसी को बता नहीं रहे. ओके, सो वी हैव टू जस्ट वेट विथ होप्स. दैट्स इट. इफ़ यू गेट अ बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी समवेयर एल्स, जॉइन देयर. बिकॉज वो कब तक करेंगे, आई डोंट नो. आई हैव चेक विद डिफरेंट पीपल्स एंड दे ऑल्सो डोंट नो. Like Winter Smart and Angel Vanishwar, from pieces. Wait for it, you know. wait for some more time. If it doesn't come, then you can assume that you're not selected, but till then you can wait with hopes for I think 1 or 2 more weeks. So should I submit BC or BC? I'm going to donate. I submit as a document. I got to hold it and night out. I'm going to go off the same day. And got the joining on letter 19th August. When I get it. Please wait for some times. Joining happens in batches, and your joining may come in the upcoming batches. And you can submit whatever BC documents you have. And when you get your joining, you have to again submit the document. So that is where you can upload the remaining documents. Okay, all joining questions you have to wait and watch. Nothing can be sent with certainty. जिनका ऑफर लेटर नहीं आया है वेट करिए, क्योंकि रिजेक्शन मीन्स टीसीएस सेंड नहीं कर रहा है. अगर 1-2 हफ्ते तक नहीं आता है तो यू कैन अज्यूम यू आर नॉट सिलेक्टेड. बट जिनको डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन मेल आया है उनका तो दे आर गुड चांसेस इफ दे आर मीटिंग द क्राइटेरिया. और जिनको कुछ भी नहीं आया है दे वेट फॉर 1 or 2 weeks. इफ योर इंटरव्यू वाज गुड देन यू शुड गेट इट. अगर नहीं आता है 1-2 हफ्ते तक देन यू कैन अज्यूम यू आर नॉट सिलेक्टेड. ओके, सेम आंसर. कैन नॉट से विथ सर्टेनिटी. 1-2 हफ्ते वेट करिए, अगर आता है तो इट्स फाइन. इफ नॉट देन यू कैन अज्यूम यू आर नॉट सेलेक्टेड. I've been one to who but here I didn't receive any opportunity saying about verification. Uh, okay, so 8 July, all right. If it doesn't come for very long, then you can assume you are not selected because rejection means TCS send nahi karta hai. I mistakenly submitted my GC documents, which documents are necessary currencies. I mean, then no, that's okay. Yes, when you will get a joining letter, you will get your chance to upload the documents again. So then you can submit it. Okay, so one thing is that some students are getting joining, some are not getting, so don't get anxious. Joining happen in batches और सबका आ जाएगा. थोड़ा वेट करिए पेशेंटली. कब आएगा ये किसी को नहीं पता, वो उनकी बैच को बनाते हैं. सो इट विल कम एंड वेट फॉर सम टाइम बिकॉज बैचेस में आता है, एक साथ नहीं आता है सबका. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.